Good morning, everyone. This is Kishore Parate from ERA International CBSE School, Gokunda Kinwat. Class 5U English, Lesson 1 Christopher, Lecture 3, page 3 to 4. So let's begin the story from the place where we left it. Now Ophiro turned and waded back to the other bank. He looked at the river and said to himself, I will build a hut here on the river bank and live in it. Thus, I can help people who want to cross the river but don't know how to swim. I am tall and strong and carry them on my shoulders. Thus, I help them cross the river. So, when he helped that old man to cross the river, he waded back, means came back, walking through the river, and said to himself, and decided to build a hut on the river bank. And why to build a hut? As we know, Ophiro was very good person, godly person, helping in nature. So he helped that old man and decided to help every person who want help, right? Who want to cross the river but not able to cross. So he want to help them who are needy and want to cross the river. Therefore, he want to build a hut on the river bank. The hut was soon ready. Hut means a small home made with grass, right? Made with grass and wood. The hut was soon ready, and Ophiro started living in it. Every day he carried men, women, and children across the river. So he built hut there, and he started helping the people, men, women, and children across the river. One night there was a terrible storm. Terrible storm. Storm means, wind, lightning, cloudy, means black clouds, right? The danger situation in the environment. And danger, generally, we experience it when rainy season begins or before rainy season begins. So one night there was a terrible storm. Rough winds began to blow and the sky grew dark. The clouds thundered and the lightning flashed. Suddenly, Ophiro heard a voice. Ophiro, please take me across the river. What happened one day? When he started helping the people, one night, that was night, my dear friends. And it was terrible night. And atmosphere was terrible. Right? Because there was storm and rough winds began to blow and sky became dark. Right? And cloud thundering means cloud thundering means they are coming together and dashes to each other and making noise out of it and creating lighting. Lightning means thunderbolt, lightning in the sky, right? Making big sound and which is danger. And suddenly Ophiro heard a voice in that terrible atmosphere, and that voice was, Ophiro, please take me across the river. Ophiro looked out of his hut. When he heard the sound, he looked out. He saw a little boy shivering in the cold. Ophiro came out of his hut and bent down to the little boy. What happened then? He heard the voice. He saw out of his hut, and what happened? He saw a boy, a little boy shivering. Shivering means when we have cold, we cannot bear it properly. So body starts shaking. So shivering, and Ophiro came out of his hut and bent down to the little boy. Oh, little one, he said very softly, come into the hut. The weather is so rough. I shall take you across the river in the morning. So what happened? Pharaoh again started helping the boy. He told that boy to come in the hut, into the hut, and because weather was not good, it was very rough. So he told that boy, he shall help him tomorrow morning. He will take him across the river in the next morning. What happened then? Let us see. A sad look came on the child's face. When the child heard Pharaoh want to take him across, and the next morning he became sad. Pharaoh saw tears in his eyes. He was about to cry. There were tears in the little boy's eyes. Pharaoh, said the little child, please take me across the river. I can't wait. I have to go right now. So that little baby or boy said, I want to go right now. And that little boy was about to cry. Pharaoh gathered the child lovingly in his arms. All right, he said, we will go right now. Don't be afraid of the storm. And when Pharaoh saw little boy was about to cry, then suddenly, abruptly, he decided not to wait for whole night and decided to help him at that point. So he said, don't worry, we will go, we will cross the river. Though storm atmosphere is not good. Pharaoh put the child on his shoulders and waded through the angry river. The icy waves lashed on his body and the winds roared. But he held the child tightly and walked on. At the last, they reached the other side. What happened? Pharaoh helped him, took him on his shoulder, and told him to don't worry about anything. And how was the atmosphere? There was wind. Wind was roaring, making deadly noise. You must have experienced such kind of wind sometimes, right? So it was very cold atmosphere. Icy waves were coming to them, and winds also roaring. But what happened? He means Pharaoh hold the little child very tightly and walked away, walked on. And at last what happened? They reached the other side. Pharaoh set the child down very gently. Little one, he said, I shall come with you. It is too dark for you to go alone. Again, when they crossed the river, he set the baby down properly or gently. And Pharaoh said, you are very small. I can come with you because it is very dark. And how can you go alone? But the child said nothing. He only smiled at Pharaoh and walked away. Pharaoh saw a soft circle of light around the child's head. Now he understood everything. He fell on his knees and said, oh God, it was child Christ whom I carried on my shoulders. So when he crossed the river, he wanted to help that boy again, but little boy said nothing and walked away with smile. When he went bit away, Pharaoh saw a light circle around him. And then he realized that was not a little boy. That child is God, and that God is little Christ, child Christ, whom he helped and carried on his shoulder. When people came to know of it, they gave Pharaoh the name Christopher. From Christopher, we get the English name Christopher. It means bearer of Christ. In time, Christopher came to be known as Saint Christopher. So what happened, my dear friends? When Pharaoh helped that little boy, he came to know he carried child Christ. And when people came to know about this help, also helped the child Christ, everybody named him Christopher, and Christopher became English word, and whole world is knowing Ophiro as Christopher, means the bearer of Christ, or who helped to Jesus Christ or child Christ. This way that Christopher became saint. From that place or time, Christopher became a saint and known as Saint Christopher. So my dear friends, what is the great message here? The story ends here. And what is the great message here? We must be always helpful, and we don't know who can ask for help, who can ask for help, and who can check whether we are good people or bad people. Therefore, my dear friends, we must be always helpful. God may seek help from us. So helping to needy is helping to Almighty, is helping to God. Therefore, we must be always helpful, my dear friends. This is a great message we got from this lesson. My dear friends, let's stop here. We will begin a new lesson in next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Bye-bye.